don't know if I can copy and paste this one, but you can read it. It'll take time, yes. Evaluation, optimization, trading strategies here. The evaluation and optimization of trading strategies. The encyclopedia of trading strategies. So this is a really good one, actually. Let's see if I can copy this one. There's 386 pages. Holy smokes, dude. Breakout models, moving averages, oscillator based, seasonality, lunar and solar rhythms, cycle based. Watch this. Let's go to our let's go here, dude. And let's say cursor, because AI agents for trading, I have this new, if we go to data, code to text million agent, AI agent, and let's go here and let's say I bet this can take all of it in there. Hey Moondev, have given up on bit tensors or has it taken a back seat? Did I miss anything? You didn't miss anything, dude. I was looking into it. But yeah, I kept it pushing, dude. I kept it pushing for now. I'll come back to it maybe. Maybe. I'm not entirely sure yet. I was kind of taken aback by the you know, the instant shade I got in the Discord. So I was just like, I'm gonna take some time. I'll look into it again, but I never went deeper than that. It's crazy how that works, dude. It's crazy how that works. What I want to do here is try to see if this works with it. So I'm gonna move these here to private data for now. Technical doc. This is actually called, let's name this encyclopedia. A ton of strats. .py. Okay. So here we have this code that is gonna give us a ton of strats. Or it's not code, but it's encyclopedia of strategies. So I want to see if my agent that I built yesterday, we built this million agent yesterday, and it has connection to that knowledge base. Essentially, this is using Gemini here. And in Gemini, it has a million context windows. So you saw how big that paper was. It was an encyclopedia. Let's go to Chrome here. Neural network. You can see it's encyclopedia, 386 pages. Who knows how many tokens, but let's see if we can get it. List every single trading strategy you can find in your encyclopedia knowledge base. Moon, do you think 2% a day makes sense? You would be great. You would be great if you can do 2% a day, dude. Breakout models, moving averages, seasonal, neural networks, genetic algorithms, neural networks, seasonal. Also, give me a simple list. Give me a simple list just of all of the different approaches to the market based on your knowledge base. My AI said no. So you can see discretionary trading, system trading, trend following, counter trade, optimization, walk forward optimization, self adaptive, genetic algorithms. This is actually a great encyclopedia, dude. I'm gonna save this one. This is a really good Arabic trader here. Oh, this is a book, dude. This is a McGraw-Hill, the Encyclopedia of Trading Strategies. Okay, this will make you aware of everything. everything out there. And then it's really picking what you want to attack. Gemini loves PDF. Let's just try Gemini. Good idea. Good idea, dude. Thank you for the idea, dude. Encyclopedia. Okay, let's go to Gemini here. Gemini. Let's copy that because this is kind of a goated one here we found. Let's put some of these here, some of the good ones here. Encyclopedia of strats. Close. Let's go ahead and put in that PDF I just got. Please list out every single trading strategy that is listed in this PDF. Much easier, dude. That's what I'm asking if you got to this point at some point. Not consistently, not every single day, no way. Of course, days like that, sure, but nah. That would be 700+% per year. Maybe on tiny size, but not my size. It's unrealistic. Please note that the list is not exhaustive as the book may contain additional trading strategies. I don't need descriptions of them. I just want a list of every single one of them in the PDF. That's it, dude. Breakout models. Oh, because it's models. Moving averages models. I see. Yes, but there's breakout models. I want you to explain every single one of the breakout models and all of the moving averages models, all the oscillator based entries, all the seasonalities, every single one of them that's mentioned in the paper. Nah, the notion's just for the challenge members. SMA, exponential. Okay, sick, dude. Commonality, seasonality, core idea here. Cycle-based entries, neural networks, core idea, okay. Genetic algorithms. Employ evolutionary algorithms. We've done that. Standard exert strategy. Fixed stop and profit target. Setting predetermined levels for exiting trades. Okay, dynamic stops, profit target. Extendable time limit here. Neural exit component. Yes, dude, this is fire. Okay, so let's go back to that paper here. And chapter 13, chapter 15. Okay, so genetic algorithms. It's awesome that they have this in here. Evolutionary algorithms, because we spent a lot of time on that. Neural networks here. Cycle-based entries here. Lunar and solar rhythms. That's interesting. Legitimacy or lunacy. Oh, goodness. Moving averages here. Purpose of the moving average. The issue of lag. Types of moving averages. Kinds of breakouts. Okay, so you can see here. Then we can type in futures trading strategy. So watch this. I'm just going to put a couple of these ideas here on this here. Momentum, trading strategies, algorithmic trading strategies. I'm in the boot camp. Did I miss it? Yeah, you should have access to it if you're in the boot camp, dude. I'll drop the link here in the Discord. If you're in the boot camp, you have access to the this that I'm building right here. This is not financial advice, of course. course, of course, of course. So let's go here to the members chat real quick. And I'll post the link in there now in case you missed it. All right. I just put the roadmap in the Discord, dude. So you're Gucci. Can see it there. Perfect. Damn. 1,600 hours here on YouTube, dude. 1,600 hours. Okay, so let's see what else we can find here. Trend following here. This is good futures trading strategies here. A trading strategy based on the lead lag. That could be interesting. Trend following strategies here. Commodity futures. Let's go ahead and open it up, dude. Research on futures trend trading strategies on short-term chart pattern here. Looks good to me. The handbook of pairs trading. That could be interesting. Using trading mechanisms here to investigate. Okay. Analysis of implications of stock or futures. Trading strategies in the futures market here. Predictive trading strategies for physical electricity futures. Interesting. Keep going, bro. Thank you. The VIX futures basis. That could be interesting. Using rough set to support investment strategies of real-time trading in futures. So you can see this. You can just go through this all day. A trading strategy based on lead lag relationships between spot index and futures contract. Again, if I want to be lazy here. Oh my goodness, did you see that? When you copy it. Okay, maybe that was me. Describe this one for me as well. What about using Paris trading for ETH and Ethereum Classic, bro? That could be cool. Paris trading, I'm assuming you said. Thing is I just don't know. I don't know everything. You know, I just know what I've tested. The Journal of Banking Finance trend following strategies in commodity futures, a re-examination. I think you get the point of how to use this VIX futures basis trading Evidence and trading strategies here. Profitable momentum strategies. You can type in momentum strategies, algorithmic trading review. So here we go. Algo trading strategies, high frequency. I would start with low frequency, but that's just me. Let's talk about that for a bit. So let's go back here. I showed you around, I feel like enough. You understand how to get academic papers. Okay. We'll come back to these later. Researching. Overall approach. Let's go ahead and say approach to the market. Which market to trade. I want to go ahead and go over high frequency versus low frequency trading. So let's talk about both of those really quickly. So which markets to trade? So you have multiple markets that you can trade. I personally trade crypto because that's where I got my start, and I really like the decentralized nature of crypto, and it tends to be a lot of fun. That being said, it's extremely volatile. And may not be as robust as other markets. Some of the markets are listed here. You have stocks / equities, futures, forex, and crypto. Then there's also sports betting and prediction markets.
Make a choice, right? You just decide what it's going to be, who you're going to be, how you're going to do it. Just decide. And then from that point, the universe is going to get out your way. It's like it's water. It wants to move and go around stuff, you know.
In my mind, markets are markets, and the RBI process will typically work for all of them because the RBI system that I show actually keeps you away from building a trading bot for as long as possible until you have something that works in the past. Ideally, multiple things that work in the past. All of these markets have charts that go up, down, and sideways. There are slight differences. For example, a Forex market seems to be a little bit more mean reverting, so mean reversion strategies may work better there. While stocks and crypto are better momentum strategies. Markets, momentum markets. May momentum markets. You will have to test this. The great thing is, though, Python, the coding language that I use, works for all markets. And if you understand markets, you can jump between markets pretty easily. Again, I focus on crypto because that's where I have the most fun. And in order to go at this industry for a long time, you have to have fun with it. Sounds interesting. Possibly be profitable. Could be. Do you think a regular person can go for HFT and LFT strats? A lot of people think that algorithmic trading is all about high frequency trading where you trade 2,000 times a day. While that is possible, it, in my opinion, is not the best place to start. The HFT guys, they make a ton of money and it is extremely competitive. They compete on speed, being close to the market, and do anything it takes to win. In my opinion, if you're new to algorithmic trading, I would look at systems that trade on the daily or the 4 hour, as the lower time frames become much, much more competitive. While I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice, I personally believe there's a bigger probability of success on the lower time frames. The longer time frames. Like 4 hour and 1 day. Simply due to competition, as the reward in HFT is much bigger. But if you're just getting started, is it better to trade against the very, very best in the world, or people that are just trading by hand on the 4 hour or daily? I would argue it is easier to have success with these larger time frames. Um, this is all on the Notion, yeah, dude. This is all on the Notion. Okay, 6. So I got these set up. I've got those set up. Let's keep it pushing, dude. See what's going on over here in these pre-markets here as the market's about to open up. And there looks to be some volatility today, fam. Just a little bit of volatility. Just another day, another dollar. Let's see what's going on with the big boys, the Tessie. Up a little bit. The Nvidia up a bit too. Okay. Let's see what the big dog BTC is doing. ETH. Okay, okay. All right, so now you know how to find great trading strategies through Google Scholar. You also know my approach to which markets to trade. High frequency versus low frequency trading. I think this is a good idea. Here, we can go over it. I'm going to type in trading strategies here. Trading strategies. Algorithmic trading strategies. Pairs. Trading. Strategy. Okay, perfect, 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 perfect. Now let's go over some trading books here. So I've got a lot of books here that I want to go over, and I actually have them on my book list. So let me go ahead and open this up here. And grab some of my books here because I think these books are interesting. Trading books here. Let's put Market Wizards there for sure. So Market Wizards series here. Market Wizards book. You can see he goes ahead and here, let's just look him on Amazon. I use Audible, but Market Wizards here. So Jack Schwager, he goes ahead and interviews the top traders. You have to read this book if you're going to be a trader. I would say that's like 100%, 100%. And then read the Unknown Market Wizards. Read both of them. Read all of his books, really. Unknown Market Wizards is really cool. So Market Wizards is like his first book, and then Unknown Market Wizards I think is his second book. Hedge Fund Market Wizards. So I think he has 4 new Market Wizards. There's 4 books. I would listen to him on Audible if I were you, but if you're a reader, read them. Whatever you got to do, dude. This is a pretty much the best traders I've ever heard of. All are interviewed in one of these books. So if you've made it to the top in trading, you're in this book or one of these books. So if you're really trying to attack this game viciously and be the best you can absolutely be, you've got to research and do things others won't do. Maybe somebody will read one of these books, but if you're going to read all 4 of them, you're going to have a bigger edge than the people that just read one book. I'll tell you that much right now. Okay, Jim Simons is the best trader ever. Algorithmic trader specifically. If you type in Jim Simons net worth, 31 billion. Okay, so he actually has a book, and if you go here, you can go type in The Man Who Solved the Market. This book is written by Gregory Zuckerman. If you Google this name, actually, and you type in Moondev, you can hear more too. You can hear more. I thought we had an interview with him. Videos, maybe. You can see here, we've got a bunch of short videos, but there's a long video as well. So, Gregory Zuckerman, Moondev podcast, maybe. Dude, I have all the clips here, but anyways, you can go to just my YouTube channel here. But this book is super interesting because this, again, it doesn't tell us the exact way he trades or anything, Jim Simons, but he's the best. He started the quant revolution. He's the reason you and I are here right now, actually. Absolutely. He's the GOAT. He's the one that I follow. He's the one that I am emulating, and I'm going to keep chasing him. So if you want to get in the mind of him, this is probably as close as you're going to get.
Hey, dickhead, get your mind right. Don't preach to me about my perky habit, bitch. This is my life.
Dark Pools, another good one. It's fascinating, dude. This one's fascinating. The Rise of Machine Traders and Rigging the U.S. Stock Market. Another must read, dude. Another must read. Flash Boys, if you want to know more about those high frequency traders and what they'll do to win. Michael Lewis's Flash Boys here. Definitely a must read. Here is a ton of trading strategies. So, advanced futures trading strategies. I have this book right here, actually. And it's literally a textbook of 30 fully tested trading strategies. So he's tested them for you, walks you through them. So if you're looking to approach this game correctly, remember it starts with research. And then after researching, it goes to backtesting. After backtesting, if you find something profitable in the past, it might be profitable in the future. It's not guaranteed, though. So it's a lot of hard work on the front end. And you really got to earn it. You really got to earn it in order to build that bot on the back end. So advanced futures trading strategies here. Absolute fire. The quants. This is what you are.